Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So on today's video, I'm going to talk about my expenses living in Gurgaon as a working woman. Before starting, I just wanted to tell you about myself. Hi everyone, my name is Tikki and I am working in Gurgaon as a research scientist, but basically I am from Sikkim, and yeah, that is like a little bit into about myself. But there was a question been asked a lot about my living expenses, how did you search, and here and there bits and pieces of question. So I wanted to make a video, because when I was coming to Gurgaon, I was also searching for this kind of videos where I can get a little bit of idea about how much does it actually cost and how to search for flats, rooms, ऐसे ना बहुत सारी चीज़ें. I was searching for mentors to tell me कि आ जाओ बेटी, तुमको इतना खर्चा लगेगा, इससे ढूंढना है. But I got some people, so I just wanted to tell you through video, so that it can be easy for you when you are coming to Gurgaon. If you are planning to come to Gurgaon, if you are that person, then please keep on watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado, I'll keep it very short and simple, so that it can be very informative and useful to you guys. I'm going to a little bit brief you about how I got this room. There are a lot of apps, Flat and Flatmates, Broker.com, NoBroker.com और 99 acres. उसमें भी तुम लोग सर्च कर सकते हो. आई थिंक सो एक गूगल में हाउसिंग करके कुछ भी है, तो उसमें भी सर्च करके कर सकते हो. बट देन आई केम हियर, ऐसे मैंने प्रॉपर्टी डीलर के थ्रू मैंने ये लिया है. आई वाज जस्ट लिटरली सर्चिंग फॉर फ्लैट्स हियर एंड देयर बट कुड नॉट गेट इट. सो फाइनली केम डाउन टू ब्रोकर एंड गॉट थ्रू हिम. सो ब्रोकर चार्ज me 50% of my rent, and this flat is costing me around 28,000. Of course, I've told you guys we live 3 in this flat, so it will be divided among us. Everything is divided, grocery ka, electricity, flat and everything, flat ka room rent, सब कुछ it's divided in 3. So उस हिसाब से I'm going to tell you guys कि मेरा खर्चा कितना होता है. It may vary person to person. अगर दो रह रहे हैं person to person या location to location, or the way you are living your lifestyle, so it may vary among them. And rent भी it may vary. It is costing me 28,000 here. Maybe someone is having for 22,000. Maybe someone is having for 21,000 or 25,000 or whatever amount they can pay. But like 1 BHK के लिए you can just keep it from 20,000 to 35,000 का रेंट में रेंज में you can get flats. So ये फ्लैट जब हमने लिया, we got through broker, and broker charged us 14,000. That was the 50% of the rent, and the 1 month का rent and broker charge went up to 70,000, which was again divided among 3 of us. So around 23,000 इतना कुछ हमारा था एक महीने का. 23,000 कुछ था rental and to settle up. And apart from that, there are I have written it everything in my diary, so that I won't forget or properly information दे पाऊँ. There are internet bills, there are your entertainment bills, whatever subscription and all you take, and there are groceries, your transportation and all of this. Sometimes you shop a lot, ऐसा वैसा करके. Entertainment के लिए I pay 200 rupees for Netflix. That is basic plan that I take. My phone bill goes up to 500, 200 या 300 का I take basic plan. And apart from that, sometimes I do extra recharge ऐसे videos upload करने के लिए इधर उधर से, so it goes up to 500. So entertainment and phone bills मिला के it goes up to 700 per month. And rent का fee split, so it goes around 9,300 per month. Next month से इस month we had to pay around 23,000. I'm literally writing so that it will be easier at the end to tell you guys how much did it cost. So rent ka it went around 23,000. Entertainment or phone bills ka it went around 700. और groceries का we had to buy a lot of stuff, जैसे गैस हो गया, filter हो गया, dustbin हो गया, बर्तन हो गया. They were we came empty handed for our kitchen stuff, so we literally bought everything that we need. And my friends bought few things जो चाहिए रहता है, but then majorly we bought it. So our bill went up to 8,000. ठीक है. So again it is divided among 3. So उसको करते we had to pay around 2,300, ऐसा कुछ 24, 25. Let's keep it 25, because there were a lot of expenses as well. So grocery का, and then last comes transportation. We go by auto, क्योंकि जहाँ पे मैं काम करती हूँ वहाँ पे we don't get metro or buses, और cab भी मिलती है, but then we kept auto for our timing कि वो लोग टाइम से आए, टाइम से लेने आए, टाइम से छोड़ गए. So we paid 8,000 for that. Again we are splitting. So I pay 2,700 for my transportation to go to office and bring back. ऐसे up and down का 2,300 I pay again. So अभी तक 23 5,200. So our electricity bill went up to 6,000, which is again divided into 3. So around per person तुमको 2,000 तक लग जाएगा electricity bill, and सफाई का around 150 और इतना 200-300 लग जाएगा. So apart from that, अगर तुम कहीं जा रहे हो, Saturdays and Sundays usually I go out, like I am exploring things. So I think so 500 to 700 per day रख लो. So if you are going 4 times in a month, then it's going to be around like 3,000. ऐसे रख लो, मतलब exact नहीं, ऐसे you can keep it up to 3,000 for this external kharcha, miscellaneous thing that you do. Sometimes like you happen to buy things even if you don't need it. Sometimes you don't plan, but unplanned expenses ho jati hai. So altogether this month it becomes like 33,000 per month. This month I had spent 33,000, but it's not like it's not possible to cut down your expenses, because we had to pay broker charge and security bills. It went up to 33,000. But अगर normally देखा जाए तो it can अब नेक्स्ट मंथ से, एंड इफ विंटर कम्स तुमको एसी वगैरह चलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो इट मे वैरी अप एंड डाउन. सो इट कैन गो अप टू 20 to 25,000 के बीच में. सो दैट इज़ हाउ माई एक्सपेंसेस लुक्स लाइक. बट इट मे वैरी. पीपल आर लिविंग इन पीजी, सो उनका कम भी हो सकता है, बिकॉज पीजीज आर चीप से एक्सपेंसिव तक. यू कैन गेट इट लाइक इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 8,000 to 12, 16, 26, whatever amount you choose to live, and the way you want to live, it will cost you that way. So yes, that is how it looks like. But don't panic, don't get panic attack कि इतना खर्चा हो रहा है, मैं कैसे करूँगी, वैसे करूँगी. जितना तुम कमाओगे उसी तरीके से you can live your life. Like every city has वही लेवल का everything. If you are earning 20,000, people are living in 20,000 also, 10,000 also. इतना भी people are doing double jobs, like part time भी कर रहे हैं, regular jobs भी कर रहे हैं. So don't get demotivated कि हाँ मेरा तो इतना ही पैकेज है, I can't live, ऐसे नहीं होगा, खर्चा नहीं चलेगा. चल जाएगा भाई, चल जाएगा. People are living, and I have seen people living in 10,000. If they are doing it, you can do it, we can do it. So next month I'll update you again how it went, since it's my first month living here. This is like I also feel like it went thoda sa zyada than expected, but whatsoever, it is what it is. So I'll update you on next month. I will update you guys on my bills next month again. So then bye, stay safe and take care of yourself, and I hope so it helped you some or the other way. I hope so I didn't speak unnecessary things and make my video very long. So with that note, thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and share it to your friends, whosoever is coming to Gurgaon, or share it with your families, whosoever is planning to come to Gurgaon. And yeah, with that note, bye. I'll see you in my next video.